How to make an app undeletable on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. Now, scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, you can manage content, apps, and settings. Turn on the Content and Privacy Restrictions feature at the top. And then, go to iTunes and App Store Purchases. After that, go to the Store Purchases and Re-download section. Go to Deleting Apps. Here, select Don't Allow. Now, go back to the home screen and long press on any app. For example, Camera. As you can see, there is no Delete App option available. This means you cannot delete this app. Following these steps, you can easily make an app undeletable on iPhone.